Okay, thank you so much. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so basically, whatever we went through the training now, whatever courses we discussed now. Okay, so that is true. So I'm working in in real-time projects. I'm working into industry. So what I'll bring you, I'll give you the real-time experience, how the automation looks like. Okay, how they will going to ask you interview questions, how they will trick you in few of the scenarios. So for each topic which we will train you, we'll give you real-time experience. We'll give you real-time interview questions for each topic. Okay, and I'll guide you how this topic will be answered, how you need to code this topic, which language you need to choose, how you need to present yourself. So I will be focusing more and more towards your language or industry experience. Okay. And now one more thing which we discussed, that why we are going with both Cypress and Selenium. So recently, what's happening now? Selenium was a very good trend in the market. Everybody was learning Selenium, Selenium, Selenium. But now people are moving towards Cypress. 50 to 55% has industry already adapted to Cypress. Okay. Now, if you go in the interview, you do sit in the interview and say, yes, I know Selenium. They'll ask you, do you know Cypress? You will say no. Then they'll reject your profile. So many of the train institutes, what they give just Selenium training and they leave you. No, this is we won't do it. We'll make you trained in Cypress also, so that you can say, yes, I know Cypress. And believe me, out of if you apply in Naukri.com, LinkedIn, or anywhere, you will get one or two calls on Selenium, but you'll get five or six calls in Cypress. So Cypress has been nowadays must. Okay. Now, and Cypress is easy to learn also. So along with Selenium, we will learn Cypress also. Okay. Anybody, any doubts? Why Cypress? Why Selenium?
No.
Okay. Now I'll share the screen. I will
Yeah,
start with basic thing, how we are going to learn, what we are going to present, everything. So is my screen visible to you all?
am I audible? Sorry
Yes.
to interrupt.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so I have one question. So in this course, what are the things we are going to cover? Like you are saying, we are going to cover Java Selenium as well as Cypress also.
Yes.
Okay, and the APM as well.
Yes, correct.
Okay, okay. And what would be the duration?
So duration will be near about 2 months, 2 to 3 months. Okay.
Okay, okay.
I'm
Within,
sorry to interrupt. APM we are not covering. It's API we are covering, Shiv.
APM
okay,
basic one and two topics means interview questions I'll prepare you, because they might ask here and there. So just will keep you the interview level. We'll prepare you for that interview level.
okay, okay.
Okay, because one and maybe a few questions I'll tell you how to do. So topics I'll share you now. What topics we are going to learn. Okay, so this is the mode of teaching I'm going to show you. It will be weekend class. So hands-on. So each topic which we are going to learn, I'll give you hands-on question. I'll give you hands-on practice. I'll give you case study. Okay, I'll ask you interview questions. So whichever question. So I take near about 100. I have taken more than hundreds or 500s of interview. Okay. So those kind of tricky questions I'll ask you for that topic. Okay, I'll share you those questions. So once you complete this course, by the time you will be having lot of case study, case materials, everything that you can crack an interview. Okay, so this is what we will be presenting to you. Next will be the content. So this is the content which we are going to show you. So we'll be covering you from basic to the advanced level. Okay. So there are many topics which have been coming in the market recently, which hardly you will get into A and B sources, but we'll teach you those. We'll cover those topics. So you can see these are the topics which are going to cover. Java, OOPS concept, collection, the most important to crack an interview, to sit with any reputed organization. Exception, okay, then Selenium concept, TestNG concept, Maven concepts are there, framework. This is very, very important. I'll teach you how to build a real-time framework with a very, very easy way. Okay, so when you sit in interview, they will ask you the first question, explain me your framework. Now, who has not worked in the market, they will say, yes, we develop a form, we do. No, they'll straight away reject you because they understand you have learned from A and B sources and you're presenting them. Okay, so we'll eliminate that and we'll teach you how a real-time projects look like, how you should answer your project. Okay, then that will be a very best way to crack an interview. Then similarly, Cypress. See, Cypress is a very demanding tool nowadays. Why? First thing is AI has come into the market. You might be hearing a lot about AI. Okay, AI is bringing in this AI. So AI is not going to replace your job. Okay, that is the first thing. But you have to learn to use AI in the market. You have to learn the framework which is coming to the market that is very easy to use. This is where Cypress is coming to picture. Cypress is going to be integrated with AI soon in the market. Okay, it has lot of feasibility that very easy to use automation. It will make your life easier to use automation. That's why people are learning Cypress. So don't only sit with Selenium, guys. If you really need to crack a very good company, okay, then you need to just learn these tools. So you can see all those functions we are learning in this Cypress topics. Okay. Now you will be getting the certification, you will getting everything. Okay. Now as you know, we said like they will be helping you, for reference and everything. Okay.
I have one query.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, you are just now you're mentioning about the Cypress. I just got to know something about like Playwright. Playwright is also nowadays coming up in the market.
So I'll tell you, I have been using Playwright in my current situation. Okay. So now 95% of the thing are very similar in Cypress and Playwright. 95%. Okay.
Okay.
So you know what how I switched to Playwright. So suddenly I was asked to start working the Playwright. So I thought, hey, how will I learn Playwright? I don't know Playwright. But when I started working, 95% of the commands, situation, framework, everything is same. Only 5% here things are there. Okay. So once you learn Cypress, you are eligible to use Playwright. That I
Okay.
guarantee.
Okay.
So yes, Playwright is a very demanding tool nowadays, but just learn thing, Playwright is a new tool, very new tool. So not many companies are using it. They are just in trial, hit and trial purpose. So we are also started the same thing. Okay, but you guys, if you are covering Cypress, you are more than eligible to find handy of jobs. So along with Selenium, do study Cypress. I'll teach you how Cypress works. I'll give you real-time scenarios in Cypress, and you will be really cracking the jobs and all. Okay. So any doubts here, anybody? And yes, one more thing. Be interactive. Interactive means ask a lot of questions. I'll give you a lot of, I can pick you individually and I will ask you questions. Okay. But don't be afraid to answer. Even if you give wrong answers, we'll happy to correct you. So why? Because I'll tell you, once you ask the questions now, you will have the confidence to sit in the interview. Interview will ask you how these things works. Now you might have asked this question to me. Then you will remember, yes, I had already asked these questions to him. Let me answer this question. You will feel that confidence. Okay. So this is the topics we discussed. This is the way we discussed. Till now, any question, guys?
Yeah, one question is there. Am I audible?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. So I just want to ask that I'm not from a technical background. I'm from the project management background in the IT sector. But
Actually, your voice
is
is
it a
coming
good?
very low actually and very weird way. So I'm not
Now
able
it is
to.
coming. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm very new in the technical. Means you can say
Mhm.
I am from the project management perspective in IT sector. But it is good that I can start automation and all the basic can be covered in this training.
Yeah, definitely. So I told you, I'll start from basic and go to the very advanced level. Okay. So it's not like that if you have come here first time, you will be facing hard to understand this. No. Okay. The way we teach is here, we go from the bottom and we go to the sky. Okay. So you want to find it, and you can uh, suppose let's take a situation that others are taking able to understand one topic. You are not able to understand. You can ask multiple times. You can reach out to different peoples at different different time. You can get offline help sometimes if you need. So there will be different ways to help you, but we'll not leave you. Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
I have one query.
Yeah, please.
See, I know that, okay, fine, you are you will be our guide, mentor, tutor. You will be telling us that okay, how we have to learn. But then see that another thing what I know at the same time is that that needs practice and that it's on us. So how much practice? What should be the roadmap or how many hours ideally we should be put in? Because 2 to 3 months, a lot of things to cover up. So minimum, what is your expectation should be like from us? That practice
Okay.
is needed, but then minimum how many hours we should put in?
Okay,
And what
good
should be the
question.
timetable?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it's a good question. So, see, basically, I'll give you an example. Whenever you feel sick, you go to a doctor, right? Doctor prescribes you antibiotic. Now, if you are healthy enough, you will be able to cover it into 3 days. I am not healthy enough, so I'll take 5 to 6 days, right? Now, whatever topic which I'm giving in the class, now I'll give you the roadmap of that topic. You guys need to spend 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Now, if you are able to understand that quickly, spend less time, spend time into other topics. Okay. But now, if you are not able to understand that topic, spend more time. If you are spending 1 hour a day, spend 3 hours a day. Okay. So it will depend on how quickly you will be able to grasp that. Okay. Your intention should be to learn that topic and prepare for that interview perspective. From day one, you should be sitting in an interview mindset. You have to crack a job. Not only you crack a very minimal job, you have to go to a very good organization. And when you have to step to a very good organization, they will ask you in and out. Okay. So whichever topic we discuss, plan it 1 hour, 2 hour. How much time you're able to understand, don't care about that. Okay. Just prepare for that topic and hunt for the job then.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so when I started my career in this automation, okay,
Yeah.
initially 10 years back, so I had the same question: how much time should I spend? But that time, a lot of content was not available in the market, not even hardly one or two. So I used to spend a lot of time grasping from here and there. But now for you, we are bringing everything to you. In the same class, we'll give everything to you. But whatever we teach you, that is more than enough for you. Just need to practice once you go out from the class. Just do it and you will be more than enough to crack interview.
See, another thing what I have in
Yeah.
my mind is that okay, fine, theoretical part you will be telling 1 or 2 examples you'll be telling, but then with that just 1 or 2 examples it will not work. So
No,
will you be
no,
giving like more
no. So this is
examples
this
or
is this is not correct. So I will be not taking only one and two examples. I'll take those examples which are there in the market and which they will be asking you.
okay,
Unless
okay,
until I reach to that point, I'll not leave you.
okay, sure. Thanks.
Hi, sir. This is Dipali.
Yeah, Deepali.
Yes, sir. My question is regarding our class will be the weekend classes, right? So
Yes.
how will be the complete flow will be there? Means
Sorry.
how will be the complete flow for means is it like a Java for duration? How many weeks will be there?
See, the thing is, we'll start with Java for few weeks, then we move to Selenium. Okay, then we move to Cypress and JavaScript and few additional things, API and all. Okay, so this is how we'll cover. So,
Okay.
see, the thing is, there are Java, there are different concept. Okay, so but once we start learning, initially you will find it slow. Yes, because everyone is new. But once you start learning it, you'll feel yes, let's go very quickly. I know this, I know no. So automatically you see the pace going on. Okay, so don't worry about the topics and all of it. So your mindset will be whatever topic I'm going to teach you, ask as many as questions. If you don't know, don't worry. Try to put your head, ask any questions you want. Even if the basic also, don't worry. Okay. So as soon as your confidence will grow, the way you interact. Many, interview what happened, I face, I take interview, then what happened, I ask a question. Can you explain me this topic? How will you code this? So they don't attempt that question. Sorry, I don't know. Don't do it. Your first mindset is yes, I attempt this question. Even you don't answer this 100% also, the way you write the logic, the way your confidence is, they will take you. They will pass the interview. But if you don't attempt, you fail to attempt, they will deny you. So first thing is that you should build confidence. That will teach you how to do it.
Oh, okay, sir. And one more question.
Yeah, please.
Is there any framework related, means framework creation related thing will be we are
Yes,
going
yes.
to use
I
that?
told you there. So my major intention will be to teach you how to develop a framework. Because what happens nowadays in any other institution you go now, they will just teach you basic. And the framework they'll give you to learn from yourself. No, I'll teach you how to develop a framework because once you step into the market, you crack an interview. Now you go to work. They'll ask you to work into a framework and you will say, "Arey, how will I work into this framework?" Then you will face issue. So I'll make sure I'll teach you such a framework that you can adapt to any framework in the any organization. I have developed more than 500 or 600 framework from my own. Okay. So I know how things are working, how framework is happening. Okay. So my focus will be more on framework also. So don't worry
Okay,
about the framework part.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any more
Uh,
questions?
Yeah, I
Miraju,
have one question.
Yeah, please
yeah,
go ahead.
please go ahead.
Yeah, sorry, thanks. So this Cypress is new for me, right? So are we going to cover a JavaScript from basic? And the
Yes,
second question is, are
yes,
we gonna develop a framework using a Cypress as well?
yes, yes. Both will do. We'll teach you all those basic things that will be essential. See, unless and until you put oil, onion, something, you cannot cook a food, right? That is essential. I cannot go and cook a start, put a chicken or the food directly, right? There will be some essentials needed. So all those essentials I'll teach you, then I'll teach you go with the Cypress. Yes, JavaScript. And yes, whatever framework I'll teach you, I'll go ahead in Cypress also. I'll teach you Cypress framework also.
Okay, but
And
using a
that also I'll
Cypress, we
teach you a
can do.
I'll teach you a very good framework that you can spend in the market and I guarantee people will impressed about the framework that
Mhm.
you're using now. So yes, we'll go to cover that.
Uh, Sorry, one more thing, right? I mean, using a Cypress, we can do UI automation, API automation as well. So are we
Yes.
covering both or only UI?
So API will cover both Selenium and API, Cypress, both.
So you using Cypress, we're gonna do both UI and API.
Yes, API is must nowadays.
Okay,
If I
okay,
teach you only UI, it will be of no use. So API is a must. I'll teach you both Cypress and Selenium. Don't worry.
okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm sorry to interrupt, Deepali, just a moment. Mirajul, you have raised your hand, but you have lower down. You have any question?
Yes. Do you have any more questions?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, please
This
ask.
is Mirajul. Actually, nowadays, what I have observed during the
Yeah.
interview, mostly they ask to write the Java code. They start from there only. So, what level of we are going to practice? Because they will ask suddenly like, okay, this is the star pattern and write some kind of they have some certain kind of questions they will ask related to Java code. So,
Yes,
in
yes.
this
So
training, yeah.
yes. So the thing is, whatever topic which we cover, discuss, I'll give you all those questions, what you're going to getting they will be asking you. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
since we have time, so I'll cover you the basic major questions, but I'll give you all these questions. Okay. So you can practice at your home. Now, if you have any doubts, you can reach out to us anytime. Okay. But I'll give you all this like star pattern instead. Star pattern is gone now. They are not going to ask you star pattern now. They'll ask you very advanced level questions now.
I'm
They'll
just
ask
giving
you.
an example like this kind of
Yes, yes.
questions.
So yes, we'll cover those questions. I'll give you those questions to practice. Okay, because that is, I told you that is very important. Each topic we are going to cover, I'll give you a lot of questions around that. That what they will ask and how they will need to answer that. We'll cover that. Don't worry.
Okay. And after cracking interviews, there will be some framework will be there. So like sometimes we need some real-time support. So in that case, we can connect you guys, right?
So
That
Mirajul,
I cannot,
yeah,
I cannot reveal now.
yeah, let me handle this question. Thank you so much, trainer. So once you will complete the workshop and place somewhere, right? Let me show you one more thing here. Please allow me to share my screen.
Yeah, I'll stop.
Yeah, thank you.
Please go ahead.
Okay, so if you will see here, like the previous batches, and again, this is optional, right? we give an option to all those professionals who have done training with us. This is automation group, right? So once it will be done, then you will be added here, and people take this kind of a help, like they support each other. Like Vinod has shared, this is a remote opening if anyone is interested, right? So people support each other, right? Like if I show you the previous batches which we have completed, I believe it was 29th batch, right? That we have not closed. See, after this we have completed, we give an option that we are going to close this group, right? If anyone wants to continue with us or will join, it doesn't mean that they have to do the training. They can come and join the core group of automation where they join and people discuss among themselves. And trainer are available in their group, in that group, and they can help you. It is not we are committed, but yes, we help.
Okay. I mean, related to project, I'm asking, like sometimes
It is
that
there.
kind of support.
It is there. One more request, Deepali, you were asking the question, but let me take a pause here because I have pinged two guys. One is by the name of Samsung. I'm not sure who are you, because unknown people we don't interact in this forum. So I have pinged you. Please ping your name, else I have to remove you from the demo. And next one is Anvesh. Avesh, I have pinged you. Please share your number. Otherwise, again, we have to remove. It is just a request. So I have pinged you on the chat. Please look and respond to that. Yes, Deepali, please go ahead and ask your question.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I was asking about do we are covering REST assured API as well?
Yes, so in API, what we are going to cover is two things. One is Cypress API, one is Java API. In Java API, it will be rest assured. In Cypress API, it will be something which I'll teach you. Don't worry. So we will be covering it.
Okay, sir.
Java comes with rest assured only, so that will be covering because they'll ask you a lot of questions in rest assured nowadays. So one of thing along with Selenium is API. So API is must nowadays to crack interview. They ask 90% time they'll ask you API questions. So I'll give you those questions only that will be asked, and you will be able to crack this. So don't worry.
I'm having one question. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. Actually, I don't have the coding background at all. I mean, yeah. So, I mean, yeah, I'll giving my 100%, but, I mean, should I get the things?
I'll give you an answer. Once I
Yeah.
started the automation, okay,
Yeah.
I also didn't have coding background. But that time, if could have thought, ki, I don't know coding, should I step in? Now I couldn't have been to this position. Okay, now if you think this, ki, I'm not having coding background, I should leave this, you are wrong. Okay, once we start going through slowly, you will feel more confidence. Okay, so
Yeah.
okay, so don't think just whatever we teach, just give your 100%, and I
Yes.
guarantee you will be able to code. And
Yes.
more
Yeah.
than coding, you will be able to do. Just be with us. Okay. Give us
Yes.
time
Yeah.
and we will help you on those things.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Don't worry. Yes, Dipendra.
How Hi.
Yes, Dipendra.
How much we
Sorry.
covered JMeter?
So JMeter, see, the thing is, once we start complete automation, okay. Now JMeter is something that you need to execute performance testing, right? Lot of people ask like how you will perform performance, how will you handle this application? Okay. So I'll teach you those essentials that will be used in real-time scenario once you step into our organization. Because MyDB is there, they ask you this question, please work in JMeter along with Selenium. So you will stuck there. So we'll cover those things that will be used in real-time industry thing. So we'll cover all those topics. Okay, don't worry. Yes, Manohar.
Sir, if I complete my course into this, then after I'm switching my career into IT, like I am non-background. So if I get a fresher opportunity to work,
Yes, see, the thing is, there are certain things nowadays in the market. Okay, like once you step in the market nowadays, everywhere you will see automation. Everywhere. Okay, Now and then see, manual will be there. It's not that the manual will be completely eliminated. Manual will be there. That is for lifelong. But the usage of manual will reduce. Each and every organization is going to use automation. So they have requirement from 0 years to infinite. Okay. So once you
Okay.
step in the market, you will have openings for freshers because
Okay.
there are some companies that have some X and Y budget. Each company has different budget. Okay, based on
Yeah.
the budget, they will definitely hire you.
Okay.
Yeah, Dipender. Hello?
Dipen, do you have
Dipender,
any
go ahead.
question?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, Vish.
Sir, what will be the time for this batch in weekend?
That sir can help you. So, sir, please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Wish this will be 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. in the morning, so 9 to 11 it will be. But if you guys are comfortable, we can keep it at 8 o'clock. So the rest of the day will be free for you.
Okay. And one more question. Sir,
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah.
lots of training centers starting the Selenium with Java, and but lots of companies require the Selenium with Python. So what is the reason to starting Java?
See, I'll tell you. So, what happens in the market that there are 100 companies in the market. Okay. Now,
Okay.
out of 100 companies, 95 will use Selenium plus Java. Okay. But 5% have different applications. Means how your application is built. Okay. So now those companies have built their application into different platform like Python or so and so things. So in that case only they will be using Python. But there is one catch. If you know Java, everything, see Python is the easiest language to learn, the most easiest. Okay. But not everywhere people are using Python. Very limited, very limited. People are using Java only. Okay. But suppose you have learned Selenium plus Java. Tomorrow you go to the market. Okay. And they'll ask you, can you work on Python? Yes, you should be able to work because Python you can adapt easily if you know Java. So Java is the essential thing to learn everything. So Java will have loops concept, it will have everything. Okay. So once you learn Java, it will be very easy for you to adapt to Python. So don't worry. You will be able to cope up.
That is a very good question you have asked. And usually, like I said, we do such kind of a survey, right? Unfortunately, I have not made it in the PPT format. So we have done one survey, which is more in demand: Selenium with Java, Selenium with Python, Selenium with C Sharp, or Selenium with JavaScript. 640 people have participated, and here it is the result, what we have got. 471 people have said that Selenium with Java more in demand. Again, I'm not saying Selenium with Python have no market. It is, but if there are, let's suppose, 10 jobs comes every day. So out of 10, approximately 8 jobs are related to Selenium with Java. And that is the reason we teach Selenium with Java. If you want to go with the Selenium with Python, we have another batch. But yes, I don't recommend because there we cover only Selenium with Python, nothing else we cover like JMeter, API, Cypress, all these things we don't cover in that. And the cost is high because we have very less candidate.
Okay. One more question is, will you start the Selenium firstly and before
Yes.
the Cypress?
Yes. First Selenium, then JMeter, API, or API or JMeter, whatever it is, as per the trainer. Then Cypress we will start. Ideally,
And
I have. Ideally,
I,
Sorry, please go ahead.
I have seen the content and content like Cypress. All the things are same like a Selenium. So what is the difference and what is it advanced features of testing?
No. So basically what happens, suppose you have to go to the market or you are going to visit somewhere. Okay. You have a car and you have a bike. Okay.
Okay.
Now, once you go with a bike, you have different disadvantage, right? If it's a rainy season, heat is there, you have to travel along, you have to go very far. So you will prefer what? Car. Why car? Facility is more, very quick. It is very quick. You can drive. More people can accommodate. Okay, very eco-friendly. Very, it can be efficient also. So This is the another way of automation. It is not like that it has one feature. It will have the same feature. It will be making going to a destination. But how you are going to reach the destination? Bike, you know, right? It will be slow. Rainy season, it will be get wet. Heat, it will be face heat. But if you have car, you can have AC, everything. Same thing is Cypress. Same, it will do the same automation for you, but it will do very fast. It will do in a very efficient way, easy way. It has lot of additional features. It will be very, smooth interaction with the application. That's why people are choosing Cypress along with Selenium. So you should know both. You got it?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was saying one thing from past previous batches, the trend which we have seen, usually we cover Java with Selenium in 1.5 month or somewhere, right? Then people start proposing their resume in the market and start getting the call, right? I mean, sometimes by putting the notice period less or something like that. I am 100% sure that initial one or two interview will you are going to reject. That is for sure, right? If you are going to crack, that is exception. But yes, you will be rejected, right? In first one or two interview. But at least you will grab to get to know that which kind of a questions has been asked. Once your course will complete, right, then you will be having command over multiple tools: Selenium, JMeter, API, TestNG, Maven, right? These tools plus you have additional JavaScript and Cypress. Then you will put your resume and very easy to crack. So this is the tradition what I have seen in the previous batches. People usually opt so that people can go for this batch as well. And one more thing here, Samsung has not replied. I don't know who you are, so I'm removing you from this demo because we do not want to entertain any unknown person in the demo. If we have any question, please ask.
Yeah, I have one question. Hello.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
might be
Nilesh.
that question has been already answered, but due to some network issue, I am not able to hear. I just want to ask that I can see that the duration of the course is for 3 months, correct? And I think most of the people are maybe approached for the weekend, correct? So on the weekend, what is the timing and what will be the duration if you are considering only the weekend?
What is the API?
Sorry?
I'm not able to hear you properly. Sir, if you're able to hear, you go and go ahead.
Yeah, just give me a moment. Meanwhile, someone can ask the question. I can just go in the proper message.
So he was just asking the timing of weekend practice.
Yeah, he is asking the timing.
You are asking timing that when the batch will start or like what?
Yeah, when the batch will start. So it's a 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. IST we have kept. Bhushan. I'm not sure if he can listen to us.
Okay, so meanwhile, I'll ask my question. If we,
Yeah, please go ahead, Nilesh.
yeah, so suppose in case if I'm not able to join the session, right? Are we gonna recording every session and we'll be providing a recording
Yes,
for the
very
same?
good, very good question, Nilesh. So with each class, the recording is shared,
Uh-huh.
and with each class, once the class will finish, so we share the recording. And one more.
Hello.
Sorry. I was speaking on mute. Yes, each
Yeah.
class is recorded and each class is shared. Let me share one more thing, which is a very different we do with our group. This is a 37th batch, and let me show you something. This is the attendance sheet. Right? Every time you join the class, it will be on the weekend, Bhushan. And that, let me just type weekend 9 a.m. IST. Okay, so every class you are coming, you have to mark your attendance. If you guys can see, right? If any of the person is going to miss the class, continuous 2 weekend, Snehal, who is our training head, will give a call and ask the reason. You won't believe in previous batches, people have joined and not filled this, and they do not have attitude of learning. They thought they have given the money and it is our responsibility. We have refunded 100% fees. Right. So again, I'm saying if you are coming with the refer me group, come with the only one thought with one attitude that you have to change your career. Right? So this we take, and yes, class recording will be shared. Genuine reason, that is perfectly fine. And this class starts at 8 o'clock. Let me show you this thing as well. Why everything will be hidden.
Uh,
Right?
I mean,
Wait,
not
wait, wait,
only
wait.
when we miss.
Wait.
Yeah.
One thing I see. Please join at 8 o'clock. Max, we allow till 8:05 as discussed in induction class because we want you to be serious. Right? Yes, strictness is required because otherwise IT people are most lethargic people in this world. If we will not put any strictness, people will not be get serious, right? So we won't allow people after 8:05, right? If there is no any genuine reason, right? So this we follow. Yes, we follow this and we follow you to respect your money and time. Yeah, please ask your question.
I mean, just not in case, right? If I miss the class, just whenever I need to recap my concept, right? So those
Yeah.
recordings will be helpful, right?
Absolutely.
So,
I mean, recordings are there. You can ask the question
okay.
in the next class. That is perfectly
Mhm,
fine. Not a big deal.
mhm. And even the session notes and whatever the assignments we do it in a session, right? Those will
Yeah.
be shared on a group or how
No, it
over
will
the
be
email.
on the group. Everything on the group.
Okay. So this recording will have any specific period of access? I mean, some
No,
people
it's a
provide us.
lifetime. Lifetime.
Okay. Mhm.
Anytime you can go and watch it. But yes, a sharing access will not be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Yeah. Manohar or Dipen,
Hi.
if you have any question, yeah, please ask.
Yeah, I want to know the duration of the course.
This will be 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi,
When
sir.
we gonna start the batch? This weekend,
Uh,
next weekend?
Next weekend, not this weekend. This
Okay.
weekend is finished now.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, hi, sir. Can
Hello.
we start at 10 a.m.?
It will be late, Nishant. Otherwise, 10 if we will start 10 to 12, right? And then whole day will gone, right? So keep it in the morning, 9. So at least
No,
your day will be
because
free.
of no, because I'm working as in a 6 days work company, so that's why I'm asking.
Oh, okay. You join. If everyone will be agree, then we will keep it at 10. Not a big deal. Yes, Manohar, Mirajul, Deepen, any question?
Yeah, I have like a GitHub, Cucumber, and JavaScript will be also the part of this training.
Yes, that is mentioned.
Okay.
Shweta,
Yeah, hi, sir.
hello.
Yeah, I have two questions. First is the 3-month course that you mentioned, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is there a way to know like what would be the proportions of time that we'll be spending on topics on a broader perspective? Like how much time? Because in my case, Java and Selenium, I'm pretty comfortable with. So I
Mm-hmm.
am looking for the additional value that this course provides in terms of let's say GitHub and
Mm-hmm.
Cucumber, Cypress, and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
So, can you please
Uh,
share like what will be the timeline that we are looking on spending on each topic?
sure. So, trainer can help on this.
Okay, sure. And
Yeah,
another
so
thing would be,
what we'll be doing, Sweta,
yeah.
so yes,
Hello,
if
sir.
you're comfortable in Selenium and Java,
Hmm.
okay, so there will be two aspects. So since
Okay.
we will be covering very advanced topic in Selenium and Java,
Hmm.
first thing. So I request you to please, start with those topics also,
Hmm. Hmm.
because there are a lot of, like skilled person in Selenium and Java, but what I'm going to bring it to you, like how you can adapt yourself to the advanced level. Because Selenium Java is there, but additional topics of Selenium Java you might have not covered. That will
Hmm.
cover. That will
Hmm.
be one proportion, one half. Okay. And then next half will be Cypress and Playwright. Sorry, TypeScript or JavaScript.
Hmm.
So this will be also like we'll spend a good amount, near about some weeks, because
Okay.
Cypress will also take some time to grasp, because we'll
Yeah,
start with Java.
that's what I was asking, sir. That time to be
Yeah,
spent on
so
Cypress
also
and
the
Cucumber.
thing is, suppose if I commit you 1 month, okay,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
suppose the batch needs some more time, maybe 1 week or
Hmm.
maybe one day. So it can be, you can understand, it can be
Extended. Okay.
extended depending on the situation, but it can be early also. If you guys are
Okay.
taking it very, very quick ways, it can be more easy. But I'll tell you, we start with Selenium also, because we'll touch upon very high level topics, which
Sure.
nowadays industries are asking.
Hmm.
Because I'll tell you, sometimes you might have learnt about Windows switch or alert. Okay,
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
might have just switched to alert, but
Hmm.
no. Apart from switching to alert, handling window, there are a lot of things in the industry that they are asking you to do. What
Hmm.
if the window is not available? What if this thing is not available? What if the
Correct.
ID is not available? So this you might have not studied, and there is no content available.
Hmm.
Okay, so just be with us with both the topics, and you will feel correlate. Means whatever topic we'll learn in Selenium, that will correlate with Cypress. Okay, we
Okay.
learned in Selenium, this thing we're doing in Cypress. So you will be feeling very easy and comfortable to answer in both. Okay.
Okay. Okay. And thank you, sir, for answering that.
Yeah.
My second query was related to timing because Saturdays are working for me. So I mean, 8 to 10 would be a perfect time for me. But if this batch goes like for 8 to 10, I'll be really interested to join.
So
Uh,
that's the answer.
yeah, timing, Shweta, see, now everyone has their own. That is the reason we have kept it 9 to 11. Right.
Uh-huh.
We will see. I mean, right now we are committed for 9 to 11. But yes, if
Okay.
majority of the batch will say that shift the timing, we will shift it. Right.
Okay.
Timing is not a constraint, and people who are not
Hmm.
comfortable with those timing, we will refund 100% amount. And this is the recorded session. You can claim anywhere if we are not refunding 100% amount.
See,
Uh,
even if you miss Sweta, have some portion of it also, na. Don't worry. You will have recorded session. You can reach out to us anytime. Okay. So that is the feasibility. So Walid, advantage that we are saying is like we are going to cover everything. Okay. So we as a group, like you should take a decision, like which time you are comfortable. So then we can think on that. Like, everybody should be comfortable. We should decide that time.
Okay. Understood. Thank you.
Thank you. Let me share one more thing. Someone has asked about the session. See, this class has been done and the recording has been shared, right, with those people. Plus, one more thing. And this is the comment by the trainer. I am not getting any comment on the video. Believe me, this is the trainer who is 15 years of experience, is sitting on 4x package, right? Being a software testing industry, more than a developer, more than any manager as well. Why? Because, and he is doing the training not because of the money, he is doing because he likes it. So this kind of a trainer we have, this kind of a people, not trainer, I should say, this kind of a people we have who really love to teach. And that is why we are always making the difference. So last 1 minute, we can take any question. Otherwise, we can close this session. And I have shared the payment detail in your group, right? Please transfer the fees. And as I have mentioned, this 5,999 is applicable for those only who have attended the demo. For others, it will be 15K who have not attended. And also this fees is applicable for till today only, right? Tomorrow onwards, if someone is saying to pay the fees, it will be 15K. Right, plus 15K also, if anyone wants to pay in installment, we have a credit card option. You can pay, or you can pay, but within a 15 month, you have to pay the complete amount. Right, once you pay, please share the screenshot so we can include in our 38 batch. Any more question if you have, else we can close the session.
Hi, sir. Sir,
Yeah,
what is the process to ask the question and answer the question during in the class, or yeah, extra time?
it's a open. I mean, during the class, you can unmute and ask the question.
Okay.
See, what
And
we'll do, Aves, is basically, uh, sometimes what happens, I know Aves is very good. Okay, Aves is answering the questions. Now I know, I'm taking a random name. I name that ABCD is not answering that class. Okay, so what I can do, I can ask ABCD to come on, I will, ABCD can answer this. So what we'll do, we'll make it interactive so that you feel confidence. Like sometimes it happens that people hesitate to answer. So we'll just cherish for that person. We'll make that person, answer that. So I'll give equal opportunity for everyone to unmute themselves. Okay, I'll ask them a question in between. You should be able to answer. If not, I'll help you. So it will be interactive way. Okay, so don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, then we can close this session, and I have shared the payment link with UPI and Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. Transfer the fees and share the screenshot. So we will include in our 30th batch, right? Okay, Neeta, you have paid. Thank you so much. And this is applicable, as I said, till today only. Neeta, I got your screenshot. I will
Yeah.
add you in a
Then
batch.
one more thing is, so I guess I hope everybody has laptop, right? Everybody will be having some laptop.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anybody who doesn't have laptop, we have alternatives, but I want to know, right? Because we will practicing hand in hand. So anybody who does not have any laptop, please raise your hand.
I have laptop, sir, but I'm working in 6 days working company, so I can't attend in laptop on Saturday only. Sunday I will attend on laptop.
So Saturday, how you will attend?
I'll attend on phone.
Okay, okay. Any others who is not having a laptop or laptop issue? Okay, cool then. If everybody has.
Okay, Neeta, I am just adding you. Someone has chat also. Are we targeting to start the class from 23rd? Akshat, if availability of the people are here, because 24th is a holy. So if availability will be there, we will do the class on 23rd, right? But if people will ask for the leave or for a holiday, we will take holiday. It's not a big deal, right? But yes, we are targeting to start the batch from the next Saturday. At least induction we will do.
All right, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm just closing this session, and with one note, I'm not sure how many of you we have touched, how many of you have taken the decision, but guys, I requesting you with my both hands. Yep, Bhushan, anything you ask?
Yeah, only one thing. After paying the payment and all these things, so I think we will get the link and everything on the Gmail, correct? If I'm not wrong.
On WhatsApp.
Okay, on WhatsApp we have to follow, correct?
Correct.
Those
Correct.
link and everything.
Correct. And it will
Okay.
remain same every time.
Okay.
Yeah. So with one request, Neeta, no worries. I will take care of this 23rd. So with one request, guys, please upgrade yourself. Believe me, from 19 years, I have seen every time people say market is crashing, blah, blah, blah. And we are used to IT people, right? If the job is going on, then we are in a comfort zone. But ask from those people on LinkedIn. As I said on LinkedIn, we have more than 98,000 plus connection, and we see every time, right? People come up and say, I will please put me in the job. I will pay any amount of money, right? So please don't bring that situation in your life. Please upgrade yourself. Doesn't matter with Refer Me Group, with any institution wherever you like, but please upgrade yourself because this time COVID has hit and the market is not in a good shape. Plus, artificial intelligence and this chat GPT has worsened the market. Next, these wars like Israel and all these things. Akshat, please ping on WhatsApp and share your screenshot. So these things have hit the market very badly. Please be serious this time. And believe me, only 6 months of your seriousness will give you next 2 to 3 year of your relaxation. Right? So please be serious and
Yeah,
please
sir, you're
upgrade yourself.
correct.
Yeah.
Because nowadays what's happening is, na, even if you learn Selenium or Cypress, nobody is going to give you job. You have to be extra. That extra thing we are going to bring. Okay, means you have there are once you sit for a single position, whether it is Java, whether it is Python, whether it's any development. Believe me, I have seen there are 400 or 5,000 candidates for one single post. Okay. Now, if an interviewer is taking your interview, so he will, there are 5,000 people. So what he will do? He will just see additional thing what you have, how you present yourself, okay, how you answer. This is where you are going to land a job. So just learning will not make a difference, but how you present yourself, that will make a difference nowadays. Okay. So cooperate with us, guys. I assure you, you will feel the difference in few months. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, yeah. No, Priya, it's a 3 month. We never said it's a 6 month of a duration. Yeah, Lohita, you have any question?
Yeah, actually, we have one more automation tool, right, which is Playwright, which is same as like Cypress.
Yes, I told
Yeah.
you, right, the first section only that
Yeah, I joined
don't
10
worry
minutes.
about Playwright.
Okay.
So I have been using Playwright since long. Playwright is a good tool, but it is not that leveraged by the organization. People are still exploring on Cypress, and 90%, 95, I will say. Said in the first minute in the class that 95% of Selenium and Cypress are same. Same. If you learn Cypress, Playwright will be similar. So don't worry about Playwright.
Okay.
Okay. So if this batch is cool, if we have anything, maybe we never know. Next batch we can have a Playwright also. So don't worry. Just cope up with this session and we'll have a lot of things in future.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you everyone and have a wonderful time. Enjoy with your friends and family and take a decision, right, to change your career. And believe me, if others can do it, then you can also do it. All the best and thank you so much to trainer for taking the time in your busy schedule.
Only
Thank
one
you.
thing.
Mm-hmm.
Only one thing. Yeah, actually, after doing the payment, where we have to update, because in that the group which you created, we are not able to message there. Correct? Only admin can.
I'm very sorry. I have asked you to ping individual, but let me open the group. It is open now. You can ping there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Thanks.
yeah. Thank you, Bhushan. And those who have done the payment, like I know Akshat and Bhushan, you have done the payment. Just share the screenshot so we can add
No,
you
no,
in the
I'm
group.
going to do.
Oh,
Not
okay,
it.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
not done it.
Thank you.
Okay.
So thank you,
Thank
Abhijit. Thank you, Abid and Avesh. And yes, I will put the content in the group. And thank you, Komal. Thank you, Lakshati. Thank you, Lohita. Thank you, Manohar. Thank you, Mirajul. Thank you, Nilesh. Thank you, Nishan. Thank you, Neeta. Thank you, Priya. Thank you, Rijwana. Thank you, Shweta. Thank you, another Shweta. Thank you, Vaishnavi. Thank you, Vivek. And thank you so much, Trainer, for your time. Have a wonderful day, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.